Hey, gorgeous, gorgeous day in the city, you guys. So it's a little bit chilly, a little chilly. It's not even 60 degrees, but it's okay. It's beautiful. And I am taking this opportunity to get out into the garden and do some things that I have been talking about doing for quite a while. So, y'all have heard me talking about expanding my veggie garden and starting a medicinal garden. So, that process is kind of a long one. So I decided today to just come out here and get started on some of the prep, and I decided I would share it with you guys. So here we go. You guys have, this is not a new view for you guys. You've seen my garden. Not a whole lot going on over there right now. Lots of seeds indoors, but not much planting going on. Now, what I want to do, my gardens on this side are 4 by 10 and this one is 4 by 12, and what I really want to do is expand all along the fence line so they have flowers and something to look at, and then stop it right there at this gate, because that is, we can go out to the lake and everything through that gate. Sorry about the focus there. And then I want to do the same thing over on the other end. So let me just show you really quickly what I've done so far in terms of prep. First things first, I did kind of sketch this out. First, I had an idea in my head, and then I sketched it out in my garden journal / planner inside during one of those weeks when it was raining quite a lot. And so basically what I decided was that I really want this to just kind of curve around this way, and when I get to the gate, to the opening, we'll curve it back in. And then same thing, like I said, on the other side. So what I did so far was just I took up bricks. These bricks were going all the way down to the end to cover up the wood. And I took those up and just kind of laid them out roughly in the shape that I wanted them. On this side, I decided to only come out 2 feet as opposed to the 3 feet that are on the main 2 gardens. So that's all that's going on right now. After I got that laid out, I put down some cardboard, and I'm gonna wet that down because I'm gonna do no dig, of course. Now I'm about to do the same thing over here on this side, because I already have this you see this curved little bed here that was already there. One of the little bushes, it's really a bush that grew tall enough to be like a tree, one of them died in the freeze, and we're just gonna wait and see if this little piece comes back. If not, we'll take that out. But I don't want my garden to go all the way along this fence. I'm just gonna do like some pots. I think I'm gonna put a moonflower there and let that moonflower trail along the fence. But on this side, I'm just gonna take up those few bricks right there and kind of do the same thing that you saw on the other side. Maybe I'll show you that. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That is the prep part of preparing a garden bed, the very first step. Right now, all I'm doing is wetting down the cardboard. Excuse my shadow, or don't. I'm wetting down the cardboard so that it was pliable and it will start that decomposition process. This one I will have to build up quite a bit because the dirt on this side is not the greatest, but that is it. That is step one to at least getting started. And I knew that if I didn't come out here and at least get started, I would be another year not expanding this garden. Another option for marking off your garden path, or where you want your garden to be, is to get this marking paint. This is about $6.50 at a local hardware store. I think I got this one at Ace Hardware. If you don't have bricks or you don't have an extra hose laying around to mark off your garden, you can use this. So there you have it. I'm out of breath now. Did I ever mention to y'all that gardening is excellent exercise? It truly, truly is. So yes, I am out of breath. I'm not ashamed to admit it. But it's been a great day out in the garden. You guys, follow along this process and, watch me expand my garden. Maybe you're looking for ways to start, or or expand a garden. And I want y'all to see what I'm going to plant, how I'm going to incorporate the medicinal garden in with my standard veggie garden. It doesn't have to be something separate. And then of course flowers for pollinators and for companion planting to keep pests away. So excited about the spring and so excited to just get started on this. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.